Hello everyone. Today we will see the scope of health education. Scope of health education is as wide as community health. Every aspect of community health has an educational component. In practice, the content of health education may be divided into the following division: human biology, nutrition, hygiene, MCH and family planning, prevention of communicable disease, prevention of accident, use of health service, then mental health. In that first we will see human biology, the topic which may be covered including the structure and function of body, how to keep the physically fit, the need for exercise and rest and sleep of the human body. Mainly see for the structurally and functionally we want to keep our body perfectly through the health education. It will be helpful for the scope of health education. Next we will see the nutrition. Education in nutrition hold an important place in fight against the malnutrition. They should be educated about the nutritive value of food, storage, preparation and cooking and serving and eating of the food. Mainly for the nutrition we want to speak about the prevent the malnutrition and how we want to keep the food and how to store the food, how to prepare the food and how to serve the food, how to cook the food. This and all we can speak about through the health education. That's important in the nutrition also. Then hygiene. There are the two aspects of hygiene: personal hygiene and environmental hygiene. Personal hygiene, you know everyone, bathing, clothing, washing hands, toilet training, then care of foot and nails and teeth. This and all will come under personal hygiene. Environmental hygiene means surrounding, domestic and community purpose. Surroundings we want to keep our hygiene properly. That we can spoken about through the health education. Next, MCH and family planning. MCH means you know that maternal and child health and family planning. We want to teach to the mother about the improve the health and how to keep their health healthily themselves in the pregnancy time and lactation time. We want to speak and we want to improve their balanced diet and baby care and infant feeding and family planning. We want to educate to the mother and child. Next we will see prevention of communicable disease. You know about the communicable disease means what? Communicable disease means it will spread from one person to another person, will called as communicable disease. For example, typhoid, then dengue, malaria, this and all will spread from one person to another person, chicken pox, etc. See information given about the mode of transmission of the communicable disease and how to protection from the communicable disease through the through the immunization we can protect from the communicable disease. Immunization matlab we want to give the vaccination. Next, prevention of accident. Accident occurs to the road and place of work. Safety education should be directed to their areas. Use of health service. The aim of health education is to educate the people to make the best use of community health service. That is the use of health service. Next is mental health. We want to give more importance for the mental health and area of increasing importance in the mental health. Alcoholism, drug dependency, juvenile delinquency, crime, violence are the increase in many countries that we want to avoid from through the health education. It will be helpful for them to recovery from the alcoholism, drug addiction, juvenile delinquency, crime and all. They require the proper health education for the optimum mental health. Thank you. We will see in the next class.